Hello, summer friends, as we slide forward into first grade. We're on our second Thursday in our summer fun calendar, and as I mentioned last time, for the contributions I've added to the calendar, I'm calling it Animal Thursdays because of the trips I have planned virtually on the computer, on the internet, for you to visit places where animals live. And so I have the two that I'd like to describe to you today. But just as last week, if you're in the wild, they say sometimes if you're camping or hiking, you should make lots of noise. So if there's animals around, they hear that and think, I'm getting out of here, because there's people around. And you want to have a device, a tool, to let the animals know you are coming. And they can stay and watch you walk past as you hike. They can talk to their friends. Oh, okay, look at them. Another group of people are coming through. Everybody be quiet. While the people go past, or maybe they would leave the area so you can safely continue your hike and your campsite setup. Okay, so animals are on our way coming. Okay, the places that I have today. The first one is a new one to me. I have not visited this place. I've heard about it a lot. It's called Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad is the name of the place. Cavern is the environmental area. Cavern is a type of cave. And so it's Carlsbad Caverns. And these caves, sometimes you see movies or pictures or books where it's a small cave that you crawl into, like a bear might be in a den or something. These caves are massive. People just stand up and walk through them. There's bridges and walkways and handrails. Humongous caverns. And so that's why it's not just the Carlsbad Caves, but caverns, which is much bigger. And so the focus in these caverns, is a type of animal, start thinking, nocturnal, not good vision, but excellent hearing. They use echolocation to navigate. Helpful for what they eat. They consume hundreds and thousands of mosquitoes per night in our area. Other ones eat fruit and things like that. Do you think you know? Yeah, right, bats. And so in Carlsbad Caverns, this is a trip to the caverns, and it's a chance to look at bats. Hundreds of bats, thousands of bats, and learn about them in the process. I hope you'll enjoy that one. The second one on my list is the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., the other Washington, on the other side of the United States. The National Zoo, and again, like last week's, it is a collection of live animal cams. So cameras that are filming animals live, right at that minute. Again, not pre-filmed or filmed before. If you want to go look at ocelots, then you can find that word or ask someone to help you, or just keep clicking until you find an animal you like, and then stay there and watch the animal. They're not doing tricks. They're just living and eating and sleeping and walking around and playing with each other. And so I think you'll enjoy that. There are pandas at the National Zoo in Washington, D.C., so I think you might also have a chance to look for the pandas and look for them in their enclosure and enjoy that. Hope you like that. The Carlsbad Caverns and the National Zoo. The read aloud for today is called America, a Patriotic Primer. And it's a listing, A, B, C. Each page has a highlighted or focused identity, person, place, or thing that are important in the United States knowledge and history. And then that's in the center, and then around the border there are other ideas and people, places, and things that also start with that letter L. And so it's a chance to, I'm going to read the center, focus one, But if you were to come across this book, which you can check online or look in the library, you can also look on the sides. It has lots of nice details, like other authors that we have looked at over time who add information to the borders of their pages in their books. This book has many extra bits of information in the borders. And that's on the America, a Patriotic Primer. So I hope you like the trips and the book.